So the question is asking about finding the surface area of a box. And so a box has six sides, and you can kind of think of it if you're sitting in a room, right? You have the ceiling, the floor, two walls on the to the side of you, and then two walls on the front and back. So that kind of makes like it's like if you're sitting inside this box, right? It's kind of like a room. So to find the surface area of this box, it's kind of like finding the area of each rectangle and then adding them all together. So you can kind of think of it like this. We have we'll have the red rectangle, right? So that will be on the front. We'll have this blue rectangle that's on the side, and then we'll have this green rectangle, and that's kind of like the ceiling. And then they'll mirror each other. So we have a top, we'll mirror the bottom. This side will mirror this side, and then this side will mirror this side. So we go over to board 2, and you can kind of see this mapped out. And so we got two green rectangles, two blue rectangles, and two red rectangles. So if we collapse this box into a flat surface, this will be kind of what it looks like. So then all we have to do is find the surface area of each rectangle. So we'll go ahead and do the surface area of the green rectangle first. So we take 4.5 meters and times 2.7 meters. We go ahead and plug that into our calculator. So we got 4.5 times 2.7, and that gives us 12.15, and that's meters squared. So you can think of meters squared as meters times meters. So that's our area for our green rectangle. And now for our red rectangle, we do the same thing. We take 5.3 meters times 4.5 meters. And that's going to equal, again, you just use the calculator. So 5.3 times 4.5 is 23.85. So we got 23.85 meters squared. And then lastly, we're going to head and do the same thing for our blue box. So we take 5.3 times meters times 2.7 meters. So we get 5.3 times 2.7, we got 14.31. 14.31 meters squared. And now, so since all the units are the same, so they're all meters squared, we can add them together. But so we'll take 2 times 14.31, and then we'll go ahead and add that. And you can see we got two green rectangles. So we'll take 2 times our green, so we got 12.15, and then plus, and then we have two red rectangles, right? So we take 2 times 23.85. And then we'll go ahead and plug this into our calculator. So we take 2 times 14.31 plus 2 times 12.15 plus 2 times 23.85, and we'll get 100.62. So our final answer, so this is our surface area of our entire box, we got 100.62 meters squared. And now we go over here and we have one decimal point, so this would be our complete surface area. If we wanted to write it in a little bit of easier notation, could do, it's about 100 meters squared. Meters squared, or 101, whatever.